Hi, I'm Ms. Horn, one of the fourth grade teachers here at Highland Park Elementary School. If you have any questions throughout the school year, you can contact me at the following email address or call the school with the extension listed below. I cannot wait to get this school year going.
Hi, my name is Ms. Krevich, and I'm one of the fourth grade teachers here at Highland Park. If you ever have any questions throughout the school year, please feel free to contact me. My email address and extension are listed below. I'm so excited that all our kiddos are coming back, and I can't wait to have a great school year.
Hello, I'm Mr. Province, one of the fourth grade teachers here at Highland Park Elementary School. I'm very excited to begin this year. We're going to have a very safe and productive fourth grade year.
Regardless of how your child attends, attendance is very important. Students get more when they are present and engaged in their chosen style of learning. If your child does miss a day, you will need to send a note excusing their absence within 3 days. Work missed during an absence will need to be made up and is the student's responsibility to do so.
The school-wide discipline plan will be followed. This ensures a positive learning environment for everyone. The following are our 3 main school rules: be ready, be safe, be kind. Students earn tickets for positive behavior and are rewarded in class with prizes and treats weekly and monthly with school-wide events. Open lines of communication between parents or guardians and teachers will make for a great school year.
Due to ongoing health circumstances, we will not be having any field trips or class parties this school year.
Students may bring devices from home to use for academic purposes. A technology user agreement must be signed before bringing a device. It will be your child's responsibility to keep up with the device and to make sure it is charged before bringing it to school each day.
Your child has a communication folder that should come home each night and back to school the next morning. Please check this folder daily to check for any school news.
How can you help? Keep an open line of communication with your child's teacher. Be sure your child reads each day. Practice math facts with your child. We have extra flashcards if you need them. Make sure they get plenty of sleep and make sure they get to school on time. And please rest assured, all available measures are being currently taken to ensure the safety of Highland Park Elementary School students, faculty, and staff. The fluid nature of the corona pandemic information change is frequent. Reference the Murray County Public School website as well as local and state authorities for further information.
If you ever have any questions or concerns, or would like to schedule a conference, please contact us at any time at 388-7325 or send an email. If we don't know the answer, we'll figure it out, and together we can make this year successful.